Some people start off as vegetarian. Some people take years to go vegan. Some people go vegan overnight. I'm those people.
All right, hit it.
So my vegan story starts like this. I was a 100% omnivore with strong leanings toward carnivore. My wife decided to go vegan. She was already celiac, and she was suffering from what I like to call lactose intolerance denial syndrome. She came home one day and decided she wanted to go vegan for 1 month. For some reason, me, again a meat eater, decided to do it with her. So we set out for a 30-day vegan challenge, and I survived. After the 30 days, I realized, hey, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Maybe I could keep this going. Or maybe my wife will go back to eating cheese and then go back to eating chicken wings. On the 31st day, I got a crazy idea. I was gonna turn it into a bet that 7 years later, I still refused to lose. Feeling better, losing 30 pounds, realizing that animals are sentient beings. You start to make the connection. You realize that what you're doing impacts the environment, the entire planet. That single decision all those years ago changed my life forever. After making the connection, I decided to live my ethics professionally, and I opened a design and marketing firm that only catered to vegan businesses. My first client was Miyoko's Kitchen, which is one of the most famous vegan cheeses out there now. One by one, I was getting new clients who were all vegan and socially conscious and environmentally aware, and I was growing this business into something that was living my own ethics every day. After years of running a vegan design and marketing firm, I finally secured a job that truly represented all of my skill sets in marketing, all of my love for the animals. It was when I was prospecting for my own work that I discovered a job position with Farm Animal Rights Movement, arguably one of the first animal rights groups in the US. They were looking for a director of marketing and communications. So I knew it pulled together all of my skill sets and my love for veganism, and I applied. I ultimately got the job. I had worked for Farm for years, helping to secure and create new vegans, coming up with advertising and marketing campaigns that cater to vegans, and selling the animal rights message internationally. A couple of years later, Farm Animal Rights Movement transferred their programs over to Compassion Over Killing. I'm now the marketing director for Compassion Over Killing. The bet I refuse to lose has become a career that I wouldn't change for anything. The work I do now with Compassion Over Killing, where they're undercover investigative work into factory farms and animal agriculture, as well as the Beyond the Lies tours, which crosses the country showing 4-minute videos to young people, encouraging them to go vegan. The vegan starter guides that we've created, as well as DC Veg Fest and Veg Week, are all ways in which I could take my expertise in marketing and apply it toward the animal rights movement. So every day I come in and come up with new ways to save animals. That's my vegan story. What's yours? Comment, like, and subscribe.